We are going to be understanding the concept of addition and subtraction of surd with this video. Now in the first question, you are trying to add 3 root 3 plus 5 or the square root of 3. Now if you look at the two numbers you are trying to add together, you can see that it's a mixed surd. That is, a mixed surd is a surd that contains rational and irrational number. That is, rational and a surd. That's a mixed surd. So in the event of you trying to add or subtract mixed surd, all you have to do is to take the rational part, add it together if it is addition, then subtract one from the other if it is subtraction. So in this case, this is going to be the 3 here plus the 5. So the simple math to that is that root 3 is common, and for this you'll be left with 3, and this you'll be left with 5. So this equals 8 root 3. For the second question, it's similar. We have a square root of 2 root 2 and 5 root 2, right? So we have to take 2 minus 5 multiplied by the square root of 2. So this is negative 3 multiplied by the square root of 2. Now, this is also a similar surd, just like the first and the second, but it's going to be quite difficult for you to identify if a surd is similar or is not similar if it is not written in the basic form. You can see that the other questions that we solve are in their basic form, so we have to decompose this to their basic forms. So how do we do that? So we break 50 down as the root of 25 and the root of 2. Okay, so this is 5 and the square root of 2. And for 18, we break that down to the square root of 9 and the square root of 2. So this gives 3, there's a minus here, then root 2. And this is the square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of 2. So this is plus 4 and the square root of 2. All you have to do is to add up the rational part of each of the surds. Note that before you add up, make sure that the surds are similar. In this case, we have 5 minus 3, that's 2. 2 plus 4, that's 6. Square root of 2. Do not add the rational part of 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. In this case, you cannot add the rational part of the surd together because the surds are not similar. They are different. They are not identical. It's more like saying you should take the square root of 2 as x and the square root of 3 as y. So you cannot add unlike terms.